we repair and replace and install doorbells. Doorbells come in a variety of types, from the regular push button ones with a doorbell ding dong inside, to some of the video doorbells. This little video will show you a little bit about the doorbells we've installed over the last few months, which include replacement doorbell pushes. Quite a lot of the time these fail due to the weather or excessive pressing of the doorbell. We replace these, either they come in white or black or shiny chrome, and there's other colours available too. Simple process, but we are replacing those. We've got to make sure that we've got the right amount of wire in the door frame or in the wall to fix them. We're also replacing the bells or the ding-dongs inside, whether they're a buzzer or they are a chime. Ding-dong. It's ding-dong, and that's one of the names of them. Some of the doorbells have batteries in them, so if your doorbell's not working, have you checked the battery? Does it need replacing? They last for years, but batteries do deteriorate. A little bit more of a fail-safe version is the hardwired doorbells, and these have transformers either located within the bell housing, beside a consumer unit or distribution board, or actually in the consumer unit distribution board. With video doorbells, these can be wired up into some of the existing transformers which are supplied in the doorbell or beside the consumer unit, or even in the consumer unit. However, some of the video doorbells require a certain amperage to actually operate the bell push, the new Ring doorbell, the new Google doorbell, or whichever variety you've chosen. These, we have to hardwire these in, and they can either be hardwired into a transformer by the doorbell or at the consumer unit. Some of the transformers for the video doorbells are a simple plug-in, and these can be plugged into a close by socket. We pass the cables from that socket through the walls and then up the back of the door frame or in the corner and straight out to your doorbell. Hopefully you've found this video useful to understand about regular doorbells, battery doorbells, doorbells with transformers, and even the type which are the video doorbells. Any questions, please give us a call. We'll be at hand to help you out on this. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel, and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.